According to NEC Article 800.110 regarding minimum distance, the distance from the nearest structural member to the highest point of the cable supports must not be less. Also, the distance from ceilings and from the top of walls where the cable is attached must not be less than 6 inches, which is 152 mm. In addition, the distance from the nearest edge of surfaces through which the cables pass must not be less than 3 inches, which is 76 mm. According to NEC Article 800.110 regarding maximum distance, the distance between supports for vertical runs must not be more than 12 feet, which is 3.6 meters. Also, the distance between supports for horizontal runs must not be more than 10 feet, which is 3 meters. There is an exception for horizontal runs supporting only data cables and other cables less than 250 volts. For this exception, the distance between supports must not be more than 20 feet, which is 6 meters. According to NEC Article 800.110, data cables must be supported at intervals not exceeding 6 feet, which is 1.8 meters for vertical runs, and 12 feet, which is 3.6 meters for horizontal runs where the cables are installed in other than raceways. According to NEC Article 800.110, data cables must be fastened securely to the support by staples, cable ties, straps, or similar fittings.